Hello my dear class 8 children. Let's move on to the last type of sum of exercise 10.2. See here 3 discount percentage is given. You have to find out the equivalent discount percentage. We are taking the marked price as rupees 100. So 3 discount percentage are 20%, 20% and 10%. Let the equivalent discount percentage be equal to D%. Now SP must be equal in both these cases. So the formula of SP is 100 minus discount percent by 100 into MP. So in the equivalent discount percent side we are putting D% and this side we are putting 100 minus first discount percent by 100 into 100 minus second discount percent by 100 into 100 minus third discount percent by 100 into MP. So what is happening? Both side MP and MP is cancelling. After solving this, we are getting the value of D% as 42.4%. Therefore, this is our equivalent discount percentage. Moving on to chapter 14, special products and expansions. You already did special products and expansions in your junior classes based on the formulas 2, 3, 4 and 5, where you need to multiply and get the value of the expansions. Here there are certain formulas which you need to remember. A plus B into A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. First term plus second term, if it is multiplied with first term minus second term, then you get first term square minus second term square. Now certain other formulas are given, x plus a into x plus b. In that case you get x square plus a plus b x plus ab. How we are getting this? Let me show you a small sum. X plus a into x plus b. We get it like this, x into x plus b plus a into x plus b, which is equals to x square plus bx plus ax plus ab, which is equals to x square plus, we have taken x as common and written it this side, b plus a and a plus b both are same, so a plus b whole into x plus ab. This is how we are getting this. Now these formulas are coming from this only. So you can remember only number 2 and you will get all these remaining formulas. So let's start with exercise 14.1. The first sum is a plus 1 into a minus 1. So using the formula a plus b into a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square, a square minus b square, that is a square minus 1. That is our answer. See again number 5, 2 plus b into 2 minus b. So using the formula a plus b into a minus b, we have a square minus b square, that is first term square minus second term square, that is 4 minus b square. 2 part 1, 2 by 3 m minus half n whole into 2 by 3 m plus half n. So this is again using the formula a plus b into a minus b. Here a minus b is given in the front. So first term is 2 by 3 m. So a square minus second term is 1 by 2n or half n. So b square. A square minus b square. Individual terms will be squared. That is 2 by 3 whole square into m square minus 1 by 2 whole square into n square. So 2 by 3 whole square is 4 by 9 m square minus 1 by 4 n square. See number 6, 2 part 6. 8b minus 1.1c, 8b plus 1.1c. All similar type sums. First term square minus second term square using the formula a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. 64b square minus 1.21 c square. So that is our answer. Next, moving on to question number 3 part 1. Here 3 terms are given. You have to first check which two are using the formula a plus b minus b equal to a square minus b square can be applied. See, these two, on these two I can apply a square minus b square. So putting a second bracket, x plus 1 into x minus 1 can be written as x square, that is first term square, minus second term square. Then second bracket close, x square plus 1. So this becomes x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. So x square minus 1, x square plus 1 again can be used as a plus b and a minus b. So first term is x square whole square minus second term is 1 square. 1 square came out as 1 only. X square whole square is x to the power 4 minus 1. Next, I have shown 3 part 3 similar type of sum, b plus 8 into b minus 8 into b square plus 64. So these two, on these two we are applying a square minus b square formula. So first term square minus second term square, we will write that in second bracket, into b square plus 64. So this is coming out as b square minus 64 and b square plus 64. Again we will use a plus b into a minus b formula. First term square whole square. This is b square's whole square minus 64 whole square. The first term square minus second term square, that is b to the power 4. These two powers get multiplied and becomes to the power 4 minus 64 square is 4096. So that is our answer. Next, let's move on to 4 part 1. Here two products are given in normal form. You have to use a plus b into a minus b for calculating them. 52 into 48, if you directly multiply, then also you are going to get this answer. But you have to use a plus b into a minus b. If you directly multiply, you are not going to get any marks. See, 52 is coming from 50 plus 2. Automatically, if you get one value, other value you will directly get, because a plus b and a minus b. So 50 plus 2 is 52. If you directly write 50 minus 2, see, 50 minus 2 is 48. Thus, only by calculating one, you are getting the second one also. So 50 plus 2 into 50 minus 2. 50 plus 2, a plus b, 50 minus 2, a minus b. So a square minus b square. A square is 2500, b square is 4. So 2500 minus 4, 2496. Next, 4 part 5. Same way, 10 and a half means 10 plus half, and 9 and a half is 10 minus half. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 10 square is 100, b square is half whole square, that is 1 by 4. So by calculating, this one is coming 99 whole 3 by 4. Next, let's move on to 5 part 1. Here we have to find the product using the formula x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So a plus 4 into a plus 6 we are having by comparing it with this. First term square, see, in this case x was common, so we wrote x square. In this case a is common, so first we will write a square plus within bracket here a plus b whole into x was written plus a into b, that is the constant. So within brackets first we will add these two constants. So 4 plus 6 whole into a is going to be written here plus product of the constants, that is a into b. So 4 into 6. So we get a square plus 10a plus 24. Similarly, number 3, first term square, that is y square whole square, here it is becoming plus within brackets a plus b. A is minus 4, so entirely minus 4 we will write here, minus 5 into the first term, that is x, here it is y square plus product of the two constants, that is minus 4 into minus 5. So we get y square whole square is y to the power 4 minus 9 y square plus 20. That is our answer. Similarly, number 6, first term square b square plus within brackets addition of the two terms. Here it is minus 4 minus 8, then the first term b plus product of the two constants minus 4 into minus 8, that is b square minus 12b plus 32.